Hey guys, they often flip through various materials when you study. I was dazzled by the various websites in the library. And 2 to 3 hours had already passed before I even started sorting out the knowledge points. Tired of spending hours searching for answers online? Meet Cici, your new AI assistant. Cici gives you instant answers without any luck. Let me show you. Plus, you can check the source references to make sure the information is accurate. Want to learn more? Cici suggests related study materials to help you deepen your understanding. Stuck on a problem? Just snap a picture and Cici will solve it for you in seconds. Cici can help you answer any questions you ask in a short time. Whether it is about arts or science, it can easily be solved. I often use Cici for translating English articles. It's